Let's now go to lungs. Let's discuss phlegm retention in the lungs. This condition tends to occur after suffering repeated attacks of colds or flu without proper recovering from each attack. A simple cold can affect the body heavily. In a healthy person with a strong constitution, they are able to recover quickly, but many people will ignore a cold and simply continue with their normal stressful lives, not allowing themselves the opportunity to properly recover. When this pattern is repeated for years, all the main organs are likely to be affected, such as a person may develop poor functioning of the pancreas, lungs, kidneys, from constantly drawing on adrenaline to support their stressful lifestyle, and also stagnated liver function due to the prolonged stress. With all the main organs affected, phlegm builds up in the lungs, which are unable to shift it. In contemporary medicine, this condition will tend to be called either chronic bronchitis or bronchial asthma. The signs and symptoms could include any combination of the following: recurring or persistent cough with lots of white or frothy sputum, or a cough that is loud, barking, and painful, with yellow mucus, which may be blood-stained and strong smelling; shortness of breath, rattle in the throat, and fullness or stuffiness in the chest, sometimes with loss of appetite, nausea, and vomiting, and finding it uncomfortable to lie down. To the treatment principle, we focus on returning the affected organs to their normal function, including the lungs, pancreas, kidneys, and liver. The key acupoints do this would have become tender, and leaving them encourages the respective organs to resume their normal function. This then enables the lungs to clear the phlegm and the digestive organs to function properly, which aids the patient's recovery. However, with any condition that is the result of chronic deficiencies or weakness in the function of the main organs, the condition may be slow to respond to treatment, which means that strengthening treatments could be required for several weeks, along with advice to the patient on changes in their lifestyle, which would enable them to recover more quickly. Thank you for your attention.